Welcome to my channel Medicine Guide, Misoprostol, a prostaglandin analog. In this video we will discuss its uses and side effects, so let's start, but before that please subscribe to my channel Medicine Guide. Now let's start with what is misoprostol? Misoprostol reduces stomach acid and helps protect the stomach lining from damage that can be caused by taking aspirin or a nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID. Misoprostol is a synthetic prostaglandin that works by replacing prostaglandins whose production is blocked by aspirin or NSAIDs. It is used to prevent stomach ulcers from developing during treatment with aspirin or an NSAID. Examples of NSAIDs include ibuprofen, Advil, Motrin, naproxen, Aleve, celecoxib, diclofenac, indomethacin, and meloxicam. Misoprostol is used in a hospital setting to induce cervical ripening, labor induction in women with premature rupture of membranes, and treatment of serious post-partum hemorrhage. These uses are outside of the approved indications. Misoprostol is also in combination with mifepristone or methotrexate to end an early pregnancy, medical abortion, or alone for early pregnancy loss, miscarriage. Although FDA regulations allow certified healthcare professionals and pharmacies to dispense mifepristone and misoprostol for medical abortion both in healthcare facilities and by telehealth and mail, certain state laws may not allow this. For example, Louisiana has passed a bill that classifies mifepristone and misoprostol as dangerous controlled substances which, once signed, would mean anyone possessing these abortion pills without a prescription could face jail time and fines. Most abortions are already illegal in Louisiana. When used for non-pregnancy-related conditions, misoprostol should not be used during pregnancy, and if you can become pregnant, you will need to have a negative pregnancy test before starting this treatment. Misoprostol was FDA approved on December 27, 1988, under the brand Cytotec. Generic misoprostol is available. Now have a look on misoprostol side effects. Misoprostol side effects. Get emergency medical help if you have signs of an allergic reaction, hives, difficulty breathing, swelling of your face, lips, tongue, or throat. Misoprostol may cause serious side effects. Call your doctor at once if you have severe ongoing stomach discomfort or diarrhea, or dehydration, dizziness, confusion, feeling very thirsty, less urination. Common misoprostol side effects may include diarrhea and stomach pain. That's enough for this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please keep watching my channel. Disclaimer: channel's intention to make this video is for informational purposes only. Consult your doctor or healthcare provider for use of any medicine or for query of any disease. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel Medicine Guide. Up next, warnings and drug interactions of misoprostol.